Hi, and welcome to another episode of Tip Tuesday TV. So on today's episode, I'm going to discuss leaky gut syndrome and what's it all about, okay? So gut health has become trendy in the recent years with the increased use of probiotics, drinking kombucha, and being mindful of the choices that we make when it comes to food. You see it all over TV. So if you're new to Wellness with Wanda, I'm Wanda, and I provide holistic solutions to help you jumpstart your wellness lifestyle without any yo-yo diets and fads so that you can have more energy, look great, feel great, and defy the signs of aging. So let's jump in. So this is great. It's about time the general public learned how much the gut plays a role in your overall health. Very important. It's even been touted your second brain. Your gut is your second brain. It's absolutely crucial to learn all you can learn about your gut health and to get on top of it. It's just something we need to learn about, right? So leaky gut syndrome is one issue many people deal with when it comes to gut health. So what is leaky gut? It took me a minute to kind of just wrap my brain around it. Your gut has the natural ability to permeate small molecules. For those of you that are sensitive, under stress, ill, or aging, proteins called zonulin are released, which destroys the intestinal lining, okay? To put it very clearly and plainly, when this protein zonulin starts to wreaking havoc, you wind up with what's known as leaky gut, okay? And when that happens, the microbes and toxins and particles of all that undigested food and a lot more is released out of your intestines, and it gets into your bloodstream, which causes you to feel icky. Your immune system then flags them as invaders and it begins to attack them. And that's what happens. And your inflammatory foods that can cause leaky gut syndrome, as does gluten, infections, and toxins. And your doctor can help give you the proper diagnosis, I should say, if you suffer from things like digestive woes, autoimmune disease, chronic fatigue, skin problems, joint pain, and that's just to name a few. So you would really have to ask your doctor about leaky gut syndrome, and it may be a factor for you, or it may not. So even if you suspect that you may be dealing with leaky gut, it can't hurt to try eliminating problematic foods to remove some of the toxins and inflammatory agents to get to the source of it. And I'm holding a 18-day body awareness and gut detox, and this could help you identify if this is one of the issues for you. Now, this is an excellent practice for anyone in general to learn what foods are best for you and what foods you need to be that need to be eliminated from your diet. And how do you do this? Okay, so number one, you want to remove all the bad. The first step is to cut out any items that could potentially harm your gut tract or your GI tract. So it's going to be time to ditch some inflammatory foods, and you want to think junk foods, and you want to focus on some healthy whole foods. Okay, number two, you want to replace with good stuff. So once you eliminate potential problem causers, you want to add more essential items that aid in digestion. Dark leafy greens, your probiotics, your digestive enzymes are a great place to start. And if you want to learn more what I use, you can click the link after this video. Number three, you want to get busy re-inoculating. Your gut thrives on beneficial bacteria for a healthy balance. Get those pre and probiotics in there that is needed for the best health of your gut. Number four, what I want you to do is help the gut repair. Now, once a nice homeostasis is restored to your gut, you can start giving it the nutrients that it needs to really recover officially. Things like L-glutamine, it will help restore your gut intestinal wall. Okay. It's not too late to get your health back, okay? It's never too late to start. Start somewhere. If you suspect that you have leaky gut syndrome, to be the cause of your health issues, then you might want to talk to your medical professional and begin to work on restoring your gut health today. Okay, so I encourage you and I invite you to join in on the 18-day body awareness and gut detox. This could help you identify those things to speak with your provider. And then lastly, if you want to learn what I use for my gut health, also this will be in the video and you can click the link. And just remember, procrastination never met a goal. Bye for now. I'll see you next week.